guys, so we are here at TheFamilyMine, undisclosed location, but we got a very large package that weighs 1,000 pounds, and I gotta move them all inside. Dang, I wish we had the loading dock right now. Alright, so here we go. Oh my gosh, guys, it's like 1,000 pounds of servers. At least 45 servers. Cases. Just the cases. At least. Now look, it's the ETH runner in the background. Good old Ethereum. Much as I love to dislove it. But yeah, guys, here's 1,000 pounds of server cases. We have some really bigger cases. And then a bunch of these smaller ones, perfect for the A2000s. We'll probably see if we can utilize those for the A2000s that we have. Otherwise, we'll have to probably use those. I don't know. So, let's get all these inside before it gets too hot. And inventory. See you inside. Alright, guys, y'all may not or may be able to hear me. There's the A2000s. Right there. We got a fan up there blowing. But here's all of the cases, guys. We got 1 stack, 2 stacks, 3 stacks of the big ones. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 of the larger ones. Alright, and then we have these ones, which are a little different. They have power ports on this side. They all still need to be gone through. I just got them in 3 stacks of those. 7 in a stack on that one, so 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 of those. And then these, which I have 8 in this stack, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yep. And then 8 of these ones. So now they're small. All of these need to be gone through, but another smaller server case, kind of like these ones. These ones have the cool little push buttons on top. So yeah, all of the server cases. Jeez, it's 1,000 pounds. Wow. Make sure you like, subscribe, guys. Hit the bell notification. I got a lot of stuff coming up to do with these, going through these all, as well as repurposing some of them and possibly selling them as a finished product. So stay tuned for that journey. We'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.